Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion Calgary. My name is Anya Basek and I'm here today in Calgary at Chinook Center for a special grand opening of Weekend Max Mara with a presentation of Spring-Summer Weekend Max Mara trends led by President and founder of Vestis Fashion Group, the Canadian licensee of Max Mara USA, Catherine Guadagnolo. I hope I pronounced it correctly. For those of you who doesn't know, Max Mara is one of the biggest and most known European brand in Europe. Max Mara was founded in 1951 in Italy, known for their iconic coats and tailored ready-to-wear collection. Now joining Chinook Center with over 1,600 square foot store. Beautiful store combining 50s style with modern bohemian aesthetic. It's a great addition to the shopping experience in Calgary, so stay tuned. I'm here standing with President and founder of Vestis Fashion Group, Canadian licensee of Max Mara USA, Catherine Guadagnolo. Hello, Catherine, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Thank you for having me this morning.
Well, thank you so much for coming here again for the interview. Catherine, we are so excited for having Weekend Max Mara in Calgary. The first, is it the first flagship store well, definitely the only one in Calgary, but the third in Canada.
The third in Canada and the third in North America. The only Weekend Max Mara stores so far in North America are actually in Canada, 2 in Vancouver, and now we have the pleasure of being open here in Calgary.
Yes, that's so exciting, and what I heard already, just a little bit of secret, there are some plans for opening another one next year.
I'm afraid the secret is out, and we're very, very excited to tell you that Max Mara will be opening in Chinook Center in November 2015. So the ladies of Calgary will be able to have more fun shopping in this glorious place.
Yes, I can't wait. Catherine, please tell me a little bit more about Max Mara. You and I, we know the brand very well, but it's such a well-known European brand. Tell me more about the woman of Max Mara.
Well, the company was founded in 1951 in Italy. It's an Italian company. It's the largest maker of women's designer clothes in the world. It's privately owned by a family. And it was designed initially to be a pret-a-porter company, which was ready-to-wear, which in the 50s it didn't exist. And it has evolved today to over 2,000 stores in the world, plus over 1,000 points of distribution in all the wonderful centers of the world, from South America to the Middle East, Far East, and North America. And the woman is a woman who loves quality. She's sophisticated and chic, but she likes to be understated. She likes to be under the radar, doesn't want to be noticed for one piece on her, but wants the whole picture from head to toe to look chic and subtle.
What about the fabrics? Are they all coming from Italy?
All the fabrics are manufactured in Italy and by Max Mara, so that makes it special in itself because they control very, very closely the quality and the choices of their fabrics. And it also affects greatly the prices because they are not buying through anyone, they are actually manufacturing themselves. And that is unique in designer clothing, very unique.
I know, like when you're wearing Max Mara, you actually feel you're wearing good quality clothes. It's such a comfortable and luxurious feeling. Tell me what we can see this coming season, spring, summer, and maybe a little bit about the coming fall.
Oh, absolutely. This spring, summer, Max Mara is very into the peg leg, slightly cropped pant mixed with narrow, longer tunics, layers, maybe some linen mixed with lurex sweaters to throw over top. It's a lot of textures, some lovely prints.
And the colors.
The colors, you can find beautiful cobalt blues, yellows, very strong black and white group. Magenta is a beautiful, beautiful color of the season that we're standing right in front of, actually.
I love
it's a fabulous color. Yeah.
Yes. And what about the fall? I know I'm a big fan of tailored and iconic coats. Anything new coming up this fall and winter?
Well, they're very, very innovative, and if there's one thing in the world that Max Mara is known for, it's their coats, especially now that we see them on celebrities from anybody, from Kim Kardashian, and actually Princess Kate has been wearing for the last 2 years our Max Mara coats. So we're famous for them. They usually come in very, very traditional, subtle tones of camels, sands, blushes, and all the classic colors, because with the occasional beautiful red, lavender, because they really believe that a coat is an investment, and that as such, you know, it's wise to be able to put a coat on that is going to last for years and years and years. And they do. They last for years and years.
I know. We talked a little bit yesterday, and I've seen one of them. What an amazing! You touch it, you feel it. It's unbelievable, and you want to have it.
Yeah, you do. And they're made in Italy, and they're made in a very secretive manufacturing plant with all men and women sitting, sewing and cutting, and they are just uber famous for their coats. And many, many designers have questioned how they get the softness to their cashmere, and it is all in the steaming and pressing process, which other designers have never mastered, and it's in their DNA. They've been making those coats since 1951. They know how to make coats.
Definitely. Well, thank you so much, Catherine, and we cannot wait to start shopping at Weekend Max Mara in Calgary.
That's so kind of you. We look forward to meeting all the ladies here. Thank you.
Thank you.